Good morning, class 5. Today we will do the word problems of division, long division. Let us start. The product of two numbers is 15,20,120. If one number is 712, find the other number. Now, before you go on to this sum, I will explain it with a small number. Suppose if my question was the product of two numbers is 12. If one number is 4, find the other number. What you will do? You will divide 12 by 4 and you will get 3. Isn't it so? So similarly, here you have to divide this larger number with 712 and after division you will get the answer. That is, you will get the other number. So, product of 712 and 2135 is this given number, that is 15,20,120. Is it clear to you? You will be able to do this long division. I don't think I have to repeat it once again. Next sum is Ruchi divided 41,42,853 by a number and obtained 429 as quotient. So what is the divisor? So here the same thing if I tell you with a smaller number, that is Ruchi suppose divided 15 by a number which you do not know and she got 5. So how will I get this number? Yes, I have to divide 15 by 5 and then I will get this number. So similarly, with a greater number, the process will be the same. This number has to be divided by the smaller number and I will get the divisor. Is it clear to you? Okay. So this is how the sum will be done and you will be getting the divisor. So you will write answer divisor is equal to 9657. All right. So now let us go on to I hope you understood this sum. Let us go on to the third sum. Third sum is 16,69,215 persons visited a zoo in 257 days. How many persons visited each day? So you have to find about one day and you have been given the total number of persons who visited in 257 days. So how will you do it? Here we have to write a statement. I have written the statement for you, but the division you have to do and be ready with your answer which I will give you tomorrow. So let us see what the statement is. In 257 days, 16,69,215 people visited. Therefore, in one day, how many visited? So it will be 16,69,215 divided by 257. This statement you have to write. Then you have to do the division, find the answer and then you will write answer so many persons visited in one day. Okay. All right. So this is clear to you. So let us see sum number 4. A dealer booked 125 cars for rupees 66,37,875. What did he pay for booking one car? So it is, they have given a huge number and they have asked you for one. So 125 car booking was 66,37,875, and therefore one car's booking was this divided by 125. 66,37,875 divided by 125, and you will do the division, find the answer, and then write the answer as what did he pay for booking one car. He paid rupees, you have to find this answer, to book one car. Okay, so you got it, and if you can do this sum properly, that means you have become an expert in doing long divisions. Yes. Thank you children for today.